AEEDC Stories, in partnership with the Sports Dentistry Podcast, is here with Holgar from SprintRay.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too. Give us a little bit of information about SprintRay.
Yeah. SprintRay is the #1 dental 3D printing company. We are leading globally with our 3D printers. 100% focus on the dental field, no other industries. So all our expertise is to help dental technicians and dentists worldwide, and especially here in the Middle East region, to grow their business through 3D printing.
And 3D printing, SprintRay have really become one of the world leaders in, particularly with the latest innovations like the Minus. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. So here we have our whole ecosystem, and you see on the right our latest innovation from a hardware side, the Midas, which is unique because it's not printing classical resin in a tank, but it's printing these little capsules, and you place them on the Midas, and in just 10 minutes you can print a crown or an inlay, an onlay, or veneer. And so through this capsule system, it's super easy to use. So people, you don't have to touch resin, or you are not in the risk of getting in touch in everything. Super easy for assistants also to use, and therefore it's like with your Nespresso coffee machine, you just press, and at the end you get a perfect round.
So it's a little bit of a focus on the clinics and chairside, not just the dental labs for using this type of printer.
Exactly. So conventional 3D printing is great. You can do a lot of indications, and this is also where we're coming from and where we feel 100% comfortable. And this is used by a lot of customers worldwide. But we believe that if we make things easier and simpler, we can enable more people globally to use 3D printing. So many people bought an intraoral scanner over the last years. So they are now ready to go into 3D printing, and maybe the conventional 3D printing is still too complex for them, or they shy away. So Midas is the perfect starting point because it's super easy.
And is having any launches at AEEDC? Was there any new products that you are launching? Or?
Yeah. So Midas launched last year already at AEEDC, and we had it here, but now we have here our Crown HT. It's a super translucent material, and while we had already a lot of success with Midas last year, now with this more aesthetic material, we'll also enable our customers to do interior restorations. And just in a region like here, where aesthetics is very important, we believe with this material we can really make a difference.
Really interesting. So you've decided to have an innovation last year at AEEDC and another innovation this year at AEEDC. Why are you choosing AEEDC as your platform to launch these innovations?
Yeah, it's such a great show. It's the biggest show of the region, but also on a global scale, it's one of the biggest shows. So for us, it's really a key milestone in every year, and also to kick off a new year here with such a fantastic booth in such a great location, such a great city, gives us as a team a good energy, gives our customers good energy, and therefore you can just take it from there, and the whole year is a win.
So if you want to hear the innovations from SprintRay, get down, talk to Holgar and the team, and hear about why they're launching so many great products here at the AEEDC.